Once there was a bright parrot who laid 4 tiny eggs in her nest high in a tree. One rainy day, the parrot flew away to find safety. The wind shook the tree. The eggs fell to the ground. A curious fox came by and saw them lying in the grass. The kind fox took the eggs home and kept them safe and warm in its den. One by one, the eggs cracked open, and 4 little baby parrots were born. The fox fed them every day, bringing tasty fruits and worms. The babies were so happy. At last, the mama parrot returned. Together, she and her 4 babies, ready to take flight, while the fox watched below, smiling with joy. The baby parrots flew with their mama. As they waved goodbye, the fox smiled at the sky